In part 1, we saw that the mark of the beast is the name of the beast. In our last video, we saw that this is called the name of blasphemy, and is enforced by a union of religion with the civil power, also called a church-state union. In this video, we'll be answering the question, what is a name of blasphemy? Let's take a look at what the Bible has to say. So what is blasphemy? We know it is a religious concept, which means many common theories about the mark of the beast, such as microchips and barcodes, are immediately out of the question. While it's true that the mark of the beast involves civil force, the Bible also shows it involves religion. Once more, we'll need to let the Bible interpret itself and find examples of how blasphemy is described through Scripture. The most obvious form of blasphemy is claiming equality with God. This can be done directly by claiming to be God, or indirectly by assuming the authority, rights, or prerogatives of God. Another form of blasphemy is to insult or bring contempt on the reputation of God, His kingdom, or His people. This is the most commonly referenced use of blasphemy, and can be done directly by slander, or indirectly by misrepresenting God or His people with falsehoods or hypocrisy. When any church influences a government to intervene in religious matters by law, requiring or forbidding a religious duty or belief, it places the state between the individual and God. It requires one to choose between serving God or the government, also called a beast, and is the enforcing of a name of blasphemy. The beast of Revelation 13 and 17 is full of names of blasphemy, and the history of religious persecution is the history of blasphemy enforced by civil power. We read of this beast and its image in the book Bible Readings for the Home Circle.
The beast which had the wound by a sword and did live is the papacy. That was a church dominating the civil power, a union of church and state, enforcing its dogmas by the civil power, by confiscation, imprisonment, and death. An image to this beast would be another ecclesiastical organization clothed with civil power, another union of church and state, to enforce religion by law.
The beast is full of names of blasphemy, which is religion blasphemously enforced by the civil power. What are some real examples of these names? One example is the Trinity doctrine, which once resulted in civil penalties and executions